Okay, it's a great pleasure to come here in Astana with the University Hospitals of Strasbourg. We already have a real partnership with Almaty. Several projects we go on together. So we've got a partner with a specific specialty as gynecology, obstetric, neonatology. We've got a team from Strasbourg who come in Almaty in the end of November to training, to elaborate and developing education program with the partner of University of Strasbourg, University of Medicine of Strasbourg. And we have several projects with compared work organization, method and program, and for diagnostic and treatment. We've already got specific target about trials and clinic trials. We have values common about care, about education and research, as with we have already work about a specific program together. And for this common forum, we are going to sign a specific commitment memorandum about developing a specific program about expensive beds for pediatrics besoin, and it's specific in Astana and Almaty.